Welcome to this hands-on lab exercise, configuring SSH with private and public keys in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, perfect for RHCSA preparation and system administrators. Follow along step by step as we set up secure passwordless authentication. By the end of this lab, you will learn how to create a new user, generate an SSH key pair, configure the authorized keys file, set correct permissions, manage the SSH daemon, and test passwordless login. Let's get started. Lab prerequisites: a running RHEL 10 system with root or sudo access and terminal access. We'll work with two accounts, your main user and a new lab user called lab user. All commands will be run in the terminal. Let's open it. Step 1. Create the lab user. As root or with sudo, run sudo useradd lab user. Then set a password with sudo passwd lab user. Next, switch to the user with su-lab user, or create keys as your current user. We're ready for key generation. Step 2. Generate the SSH key pair. Run ssh-keygen-t ed25519-c lab user at RHEL10. ed25519 is modern and secure, or use RSA 4096 with -t RSA-b4096. Press Enter to accept the default location, /home/labuser/id_ed25519. Optionally set a passphrase for extra security. Step 3. Set up authorized keys. Your public key is now in id_ed25519.pub. To enable login to this same machine, copy it to the authorized list. cat.ssh/id_ed25519.pub appends to .ssh/authorized_keys. For remote login, you would copy the public key to the server's authorized_keys file using ssh-copy-id. Step 4. Fix permissions. This is critical. SSH will fail if these are wrong. Run chmod 700 on .ssh, then chmod 600 on .ssh/authorized_keys. Also ensure correct SE Linux context with restorecon-rv.ssh. Verify with ls-lz.ssh. Step 5. Check the SSH server configuration. edit/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Ensure pubkey authentication is set to yes. Allow the service through the firewall with sudo firewall-cmd-add service =ssh-permanent and reload. Then enable and restart SSHD. Sudo systemctl enable-now SSHD and sudo systemctl restart SSHD.
Step 6. Test passwordless login. From your client, run ssh-labuser at localhost or ssh-labuser at your server IP. If you set a passphrase, you'll be prompted for that, not the user password. Success. Add dash versus for verbose output if you need to debug.
Step 7. Optional hardening. Once key login works, you can disable password authentication for better security. In SSHD config, set password authentication to no, then restart SSHD. Be careful. Test your key login in a separate terminal first, so you don't lock yourself out.
Quick troubleshooting tips. If login fails, check permissions. 700 for .ssh and 600 for authorized keys. Check journal ctl-ussHD in var log secure. Ensure SE Linux contexts are correct with restock on, and that your public key is a single line in authorized keys without breaks. Excellent work. You've configured SSH key-based authentication in RHEL 1.0. You created a user, generated an ed25519 key pair, configured authorized keys, set permissions, and tested secure login. Like and subscribe for more RHEL 10 labs. And download the command cheat sheet linked below. See you in the next lab.